Hi, so in this video I will show you how to make fermented vegetables. Not exactly the same type as I show in that video here. So in that video I show how to make sauerkraut the proper way, but it takes several weeks. It takes 3 weeks, about 3 weeks to have the sauerkraut ready to eat. But if you want to be able to eat fermented foods faster, and particularly fermented vegetables, that's what I will show you in this video. Okay, so here I cut vegetables. So here I used this part of the broccoli that you throw away. So instead of throwing it away, I just cut it in slices. And I used carrots also. So here now you mix salt and water, unrefined sea salt. Here I've put a lot of salt. That's actually too much. You can put half of what I've put, like just a small teaspoon. Then you put all the pieces together, and you want to pack them all very well together so they don't float. Okay, it must be really packed like this, and the water must be to the top. Then you close it and you leave it somewhere for about a week or more. Now here you see I opened it after 1 week, and it's normal and the water comes out because of the pressure. And here I wanted to show you the little bubbles that shows that it was fermenting very well. So actually you have to air it several times. You know, you have to open it a little, to open the bottle a little, like every 3 days, something like that. The longer you leave it ferment, the longer you leave it, the more it will ferment, of course. Okay, so it will take more time in winter than in summer because of the cold weather. And yeah, that's it. The longer you leave it, the better it will taste, actually, and the more probiotics. So as you know, I have a protocol to heal your gut naturally. I put the link under this video in the description box. Fermented vegetables are great to restore your gut flora. I see you later. Bye-bye.